Hi, this is Charting Man Dan of thechartguys.com, home of technical analysis education. Click the link for a free week trial, no credit card required, and gain access to our multiple live broadcasts daily, community chat room, educational videos, nightly watch lists, and more. Invest in your education and future and join the community today. Hey everybody, looking at oil on the daily and weekly time frame, and it's going to be another example of why utilizing different time frames gives you different puzzle pieces for a complete picture. So the daily chart for WTIC oil shows a very bullish doji. Bulls buying the dip. We did close just below the 10-day moving average resistance of 48.94. But we would look for this to be a bullish reversal doji with a green day tomorrow. Key support is down here at 47.26. We can see the higher lows are still forming, and it looks like we're in a normal healthy uptrend. We do see the bearish MACD cross, so we're making note of that. But it's when we zoom in a bit that we get a little bit of a different picture. This is the hourly chart on oil. This was our top at 50.21 and our lower high at 50.09. So there's our lower high, and then we had a lower low. As soon as this level broke, 48.70, that was a bearish indication, and we can see a quick dump because other traders saw that as well. So on the hourly chart, we now have a lower high and a lower low, and when we zoom out, certainly looks like we're leveling out a little bit and perhaps pulling back to the downside. We can see on this uptrend on the hourly chart, we have had periods where we have set lower lows, but it has not come after a lower high. So this is the first clear time I'm seeing a lower high and a lower low on the hourly chart in quite some time. And that combined with the fact that we are at key $50 psychological resistance, which is still a lower high compared to this bounce attempt of 50.92. So topping out at 50.21 has us looking for the potential pullback. We've got a bearish reversal candlestick forming on this week. We'll see where we close. Even if we were to close all the way up at the high of this week, that would still be a bearish reversal hammer or a bearish reversal doji. So it is looking slightly toppy on the shorter time frames, and we are looking for potential gains in DGAS. We've got the weekly chart for WTIC a bit more clear here. There's that bearish reversal hammer. If we were to close even up at 49.54, which is where this candlestick opened, that would be a bearish reversal doji. So the uptrend is still perfectly healthy as long as this 10-week moving average support holds, but we could see a 10% drop to test that support in oil. So as of this point, we are looking for short-term downside, normal healthy consolidation at this point forward. If we saw some increasing bearish volume, if we broke 47.26, it would be perhaps a different story, but as of right now, the trend is bullish, and we realize we are playing counter the trend. But that hourly chart is giving us some signals we're looking for, combined with this daily bearish MACD. So if we look at the previous price history, that 47.26 level, we can see that would also lose this middle Bollinger Band support. And if those two levels go, it should be a pretty quick drop down to the 50-day moving average support. We can see strong previous price history support here at 43, and this 50-day moving average is going to be approaching $44. So there are some nice gains to be had here. Could see a nice 6 to 8% pullback in oil over the next 2 weeks, let's say. And that hourly chart is the one we are going to be watching very closely for an indication of what to expect. So we can see that lower high and lower low. Big strong bounce today, but that's just another lower high. Topping out this time at 49.24, and as long as these lower highs keep setting, we are going to be looking for weakness. So potential top in oil, want to be cautious, want to look at as many time frames as possible, and this hourly chart is going to be our guide. We will be watching it tomorrow live on webcam and throughout the trading day. Hope you can join us. Have a great night. Thanks for watching. The Chart Guys community has compiled trader tips from dozens of traders over the last year and put together a free ebook you can access by clicking the button and entering your email. Have a wonderful night.